Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to upload digital products on Gumroad. So, let's dive right in. Visit the Gumroad website at gumroad.com and log into your account. The link is provided in the description. Once logged in, click on the Library button in the top right corner. On your Gumroad dashboard, click on the Product option from the left sidebar. Then, click New Product. Clicking that will open a new product creation page. Choose a clear and concise title that accurately reflects your product. Keep it short and to the point, but also informative enough to entice potential buyers. In the Product section, choose Digital Product. In the Price field, enter the price of your product. Then, click on the Next button at the top. Now, here you will need to fill out some details about your product. Description. This is your chance to shine. Craft a compelling description that highlights the benefits and value your product offers. Be sure to address common pain points your target audience might have and explain how your product solves them. Upload cover photo and thumbnail of your product to showcase the audience what you are offering. Use strong calls to action to encourage viewers to buy. Price. Gumroad allows you to choose various pricing options, including one-time purchases or subscriptions. Consider offering tiered pricing structures or discount bundles to incentivize purchases. Now, it's time to upload your actual digital product. Click on the Content option. Here, you will find different options to upload your digital product. Gumroad supports a wide range of file formats, giving you the flexibility to sell a variety of digital goods. Once you've filled out all the details and uploaded your content, you're ready to publish your product. So finally, click on the Publish and Continue button in the top right corner. Gumroad will generate a unique product URL that you can share with potential buyers. There you have it. Uploading your digital products on Gumroad is a breeze. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.